Okay, so welcome to my home office, and by you opting in, that tells us two things. Number one, it tells us that you are open to an opportunity, and number two, it tells us that we know that you are looking for more abundance or financial freedom in your life. That's what we intend to bring to the table, and I know right now you've only opted in, and it's our burden to prove to you that our team and system can bring that to your life. Okay, so with that being said, one of the things that we're looking for is we're looking for people that are decisive, we're looking for leadership, we're looking for people that can take action. And you'll notice that there is a time clock on the page below. Now the only reason that's there is this system is so smart, I should say, that it has earmarked you and is recording the time that you spend on the pages. Because again, we are looking for leadership. We are looking for people that can take action.
This may seem unbelievable to you, but we're actually doing risk transfer.
Instead of you having to carry all the risk, that some of the risk is shared and put onto us. And that is why we ask for an application. You can look throughout the whole internet and you're not going to find people do that. So that should tell you right now that we're so confident and we believe in what we do so much that we can take the risk. It's almost like the offer that no one can refuse. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to go ahead and share with you what we do, how we do it, and why it works. But before we do that, let's cover some legitimacy here, because you know, if you're new or you're not real familiar with the home business industry and some of the biz op world, let me go ahead and show you some news clips to go ahead and solidify that. I'm not going to spend too much time on it because it's kind of like saying water is wet and that type of sort of thing. So anyway, check this out and we'll get started.
Yeah, Gina, for some it's a second source of income, but others in this rough economic time, it's becoming a first source of income. As you
Holloway says direct retail like this has been growing for a decade, and there's potential for it to get even bigger.
I think in today's economy, where we have the layoffs that we have happening and people desperate to find work, that there's going to be increased demand in these sorts of opportunities.
So what company should I choose? How will I make it work for me? Can I even do it? What is my risk? Do I go at it alone? These are all questions that can be solved by following and working with the success team that has a success system. And let me tell you what we're not is a traditional selling system where you bug your friends and family, where you have some sort of product that you don't want coming on a monthly basis. That's not what we're about. There is no way that you would have to look stupid or have a big startup cost. There's definitely no way that you would be soliciting family and friends to make it work. And I gotta tell you, a lot of people I know are foolish just thinking that if you just have your own businesses that you're gonna be swimming in money. It doesn't work that way traditional or in home business. It's not get rich quick. The fact is that marketing makes a business. Business is business, and all businesses need customers. And you don't even need an organization, but if something's good, franchising is more lucrative. Hopefully that makes sense, because that's the concept in a nutshell. So listen up. Our system does the heavy lifting for you. It's a plug and play formula, and it's very simple. Marketing is what drives success for a business, and because your success equals our success, there's no reason to worry. We've got you covered on marketing. We know you may have some strengths, but also some weaknesses, just like the people that would be in your team. The system is strong, and the system is the solution. You see, the formula of marketing and having our success system automatically sign people up equals results. After filling out this short application, you would be redirected to a page that will tell you all the details of the opportunity that we're so excited about. You will be blown away with what we're about to show you, but remember from what we discussed on the previous page that if you decide to move forward and we decide to move forward, you will be guaranteed results. This is an offer that no one can refuse. The clock is ticking.